guys, how you doing today? So as you can see here today guys, today we're in the Red Sea, and as you can see, what am I doing over here and why am I standing up? That's because we're floating guys. We now can walk on water. You see this? You see that? As you can see, we can see the boats over there and the views, you know. Look at these views. You can see islands all over, you know, across, you know, the Egyptian, you know, sea, Red Sea, as you can see guys. And as you are here today, we're floating guys. We've reached a new level. All right, we're now walking on water. Yes, as you can see. Anyway guys, that's why I have to check in with you. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. 28 degrees, 27, 29 degrees, beautiful day, and we're enjoying it. See you later. So guys, as you can see here, we're doing some water walking business. Yeah. Wow. All right, I catch you in the business. So, guys, it's in the scene in the hut. So as you can see, today I'm in Egypt. It's a short vlog, you know, but I'm gonna be exploring Cairo tomorrow. Staying in Hurghada, in a hotel called Jaz Casa Del Mar. And as you can see, today's weather is looking very beautiful. Sun out, just chilling by the infinity pool. See them views of the infinity style, infinity pool views. The only way when you come out to the beach, gotta be the infinity way in. Gotta be the infinity way. So as you can see me, very chill vibes, chill day, as you can see. Oh man, been here now for like, this is the 5th day, if I'm correct. No, 4th day. I'm lost now. Okay, it must be the 5th day because I got only Thursday tomorrow. And Friday we're going back home. It's been here for like about 7 nights. So yeah, it's been a great time spent here. And you know, the usual, back to business on Friday. We're going back home in the evening. And guys, be nice, you know, clocking in with you. And I'll catch you in a bit. How you doing, guys? TDT back in the cut. Anyway, I didn't do a room tour. I didn't really do a room tour when I came here in Egypt. So I decided I want to give you guys one. So this is the room. So I got a twin bedroom room situation here, but maybe into one still. Bedroom is give or take, but anyway, you know, I was here just for only the bed. So got a smart TV here and a mini bar. Access all the drinks in there, inclusive of the room, so I can have as many as I want and I shoot every day. Water in a glass bottle. Don't know how I feel about water in a glass bottle. I just really prefer just a bottle normally, but it's still nice though, the design. Don't need to see myself there. Anyway, let me just show you a quick tour of the room, since I never really did a room tour ever since I came back from this holiday. Now you're watching this video. I actually just came back from Cairo, and that's how another video I've just done for it as well. Hope you enjoy. The room tour, as you can see it, is what it is. Got my clothes stuff up there. So you get the toilet here, nice. Wow. Yep, it's got a modern flat way, which is really nice. And here's the shower. Got the toilet there, just over there. Bin there. A little extra focused mirror. So yeah, I mean, the room is, as you can see it, I mean, it's nicely designed there. And I just came back from a long trip, but it's very beautiful. And I mean, that's pretty much, you know, it for the room tour that I can give you guys tips on. I mean, in the wardrobe there, if I close it, I also have access to like a morning gown.